Hello, my name is Nini. What's your name?
My name is Jimo.
Okay, Jimo, look at this. It's a beautiful day. Okay, the girl is happy. Here is the house. Where's the sun?
Here.
And where is the carrot?
Here.
Good. Okay, now look at these. Now, which one is the sheep?
This.
Good. I'm putting the sheep in the water. Now, you put the sheep behind the girl. Good. Now, which one is the pineapple? Put the pineapple next to the house. Okay, good. Okay. Jimo, what's this?
It's mouse.
What color is it?
It's gray.
How many mice are there?
There are 3 mice.
What are the dogs doing?
They are swimming.
Tell me about the house.
It's brown and next to the trees.
Okay. Now, Jimo, what's this?
It's t-shirts.
Are you wearing a t-shirt?
Yes.
What color is this t-shirt?
It's yellow.
And what are these?
It's sausages.
Do you like eating sausages?
Yes.
What do you eat for dinner?
Chicken and rice.
Okay. What's this?
It's book.
Do you like reading books?
No.
How many English books have you got?
I've got 10.
Good. And what's this?
It's mouse.
Do you have a mouse?
Yes.
What color is your mouse?
It's white.
Okay. Now, Jimo, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in the apartment.
And how many brothers and sisters have you got?
I've got 1 sister.
And do you like learning English?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Jimo. Goodbye.